everybody? I'm here today to do a review of this HP Deskjet 2742e printer. This is a practical printer for basically any budget. And in this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this printer with you. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, first and foremost, let's look at the design. It looks fantastic, okay? Now, don't get it twisted. Right now, I have this in my basement kitchen because I just got it and I'm about to set it up, okay? But I've actually used this before. I've used this before at a different office, and I just got this one myself. So I've used it before enough to review it, and I just got this one myself. It's absolutely fantastic in so many ways. And now I have it in my basement kitchen, like I said before, but I will be placing it in my office very shortly. So overall, it's absolutely fantastic. The design is very, very sleek, and it doesn't take up a lot of real estate. Now, we know that real estate on a countertop, whether it's in a kitchen or a desk countertop or an office, bookshelf, whatever the case is, it's valuable real estate, okay? You can't use too much space unless it's worth it. This is quite small, as you can see. I'll place my hand for comparison. I'm not a big guy. I'm 5'7", 5'7.5" on a good day if I really straighten out my posture. It doesn't take up that much space. Absolutely fantastic. I like the fact that the top actually looks like an HP notebook. So if you look at the top, it looks like a laptop, which is kind of cool. The coloration is fantastic. In terms of what it can do, absolutely amazing in terms of a basic all-in-one printer. You can print from it, you can scan, you can copy, and it has only a few simple buttons and a simple screen on the side. Literally, that's it. And like I said, I just plugged this in. I haven't even installed the ink yet. The ink is right here, but I have used this printer before. That's why I feel like I can review it, okay? In terms of its speed and its quality, listen, you're not going to get the fastest printing with this. You're not going to get the best quality, but you are going to get quite good speed and quite good quality for a tiny price. This printer is actually really inexpensive, which is really, really good. And the ink refills are actually not that bad either, which is really, really good. So overall, if you're looking for a printer on a relatively tight budget and you want something that gets the job done, this is it. This is for you. Now, obviously, when you're loading up the paper, you know, it's going to extend out. It's going to get bigger. You know, you pull out the tray, it's going to be bigger and stuff like that. You know, very, very simple. You can extend it out. It's going to get bigger. But when it's nice and compact, look at that. So when you're not using it, you can fold it up and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Absolutely fantastic. And with regards to the simplicity, literally, like to set this up only takes a few minutes, and to use it is so easy. You can learn how to use this thing within a matter of probably 5 minutes, okay? Like, you almost don't even have to read the user manual to understand it. It's pretty simple with the buttons, and if you have the right app also and the wireless printing capabilities, you know, like printing from your phone, if you know how to do that already with a different printer, this is for you, okay? So if you're looking for the best printer on the market, you know, you're going to have to spend some more money. This probably won't cut it for you because it's not the best, but it is really, really good for a tiny, tiny price. It's absolutely amazing the bang for your buck that you get out of this. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.